The biggest challenge that I had before I found Active Life was my from the 3 to 4 hours of training, 5 days a week that it was going on. My tendons and my knees were basically giving me were hurting. I mean, it was difficult to even walk down the stairs, set of stairs. I tried physical therapy. I tried acupuncture. I tried cryotherapy, a chiropractor. I tried electromagnetic therapy, and nothing just seemed to work. And so from there, it was like, okay, what am I going to do next? If you're thinking about looking for a solution to your problem, one of the things, just have a talk with one of the person who does the initial consultation. Let them talk to you, find out what's going. And I believe I trust, like I said, I trust Sean and his group of people that if there's anything that they know they can help you, they'll help you. And if they don't think they can, they'll tell you. If if it's something your knee's blown out and you need to go get surgery, that's another thing. But if there is a solution to what you're doing, and you want to continue to train and begin to work through those instead of a doctor telling you just don't work out or don't do that anymore, because that wouldn't have worked for me if you'd have told me, oh, don't squat anymore. Or that don't make any sense. Uh,
Definitely.
so just take the chance and go ahead and do it. And I promise you, pretty much, if you have the same experience that I had, you'll be glad that you did.